Hey guys, welcome back to another episode where we're actually going to take our Supercharged G35 to its first meet after breaking down 3 times. It is pretty ridiculous, but I'm finally happy to have it back. So let's start it up, take it to the meet, and we're actually going to go as a group with the whole crew. So I'm excited. It's the first time we ever get reunited because we actually never do quite often. So it should be a good time. Anyways, let's head out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. All right, let's head out. Did you subscribe? All right guys, and also we're gonna head out. We're about to cold start the G35, but I also want to show you guys know it's Black Friday, it's Thanksgiving week, so I want to show you guys a little bit of specials. You guys know the LED bulbs that I have on here. There's the kit that LASFIT is selling, and I have a 20% discount just for you guys. It's limited. It's BD20. Go ahead and use that at the checkout for that item specifically. The link is down in the description below. Go ahead, check it out, 20% off. And if you have any other car, use code BD10 and you can 10% off on any LEDs. That could be your headlights, your tail lights, your dome lights, any type of LEDs. So go ahead, check it out. Also, if you guys are looking for wheels, go ahead and check out Fitment Industries website. The link will be down in the description below. They are also having some Black Friday specials, so go ahead, use the link in the description below, check out the deals, and see if you can get yourself some pair of beautiful wheels. So let's go ahead and head on to the meet. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our stuff and pack it. You know, we gotta carry our camera. Probably gonna have a hard time starting right now because it's cold, and you know, E85. But hopefully it starts. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby. There you go. See, in the inside, it doesn't sound bad, right? But if you open the door, I'm gonna show you guys the footage, of course. We're in the warehouse with Cena. Oh shit, the bandoleros. Let's go. Damn. Yes sir. Hey, bro, he just got it, bro. Black chrome. That shit's nice. Oh, let me bring out the other camera so I can show you better. Yes sir. Alright guys, I'm probably dark, you probably can't see me, but we're in that city called El Grove. Recently the cops have been, or not recently, but a while back the cops were really hot. They said it calmed down a little bit, but we just got to the meet. Someone already got pulled over. We already saw 2 cops waiting just to see cars pass by. Hopefully, that's why you guys, it's probably best to travel as a group, but right now we're about to enter the shopping center. Hopefully nothing bad happens. We get home safe and everybody gets home safe and everything, but we'll see, man. We'll see. Look at the tow truck over here.
Ready.
Oh, hell, that's a multi-vehicle tow truck, bro. He's gonna carry like 3 cars at a time. Hell nah, bro.
Are we going to get a ticket for a hard park?
I don't know. I think you could get a ticket. I'm kind of scared to do it, but got the lineup right here with the chrome Honda. Got the midnight purple Z with the white Z. Got the boy Jordan, of course. I installed those fenders, by the way. This is my professional installation. Look at the gaps, bro. OEM gaps only, bro. Look at that. OEM gaps. Now that's not me, though. That's not me. Look at the G, bro. Helicopter. Bro, say it, bro. Say it. Come on, bro. Helicopter. Back up. Damn. Back up. How rude. You need to leave. Yes, sir. They're trying to make us fit in this car? Yeah. Bro, let's go fit in there. We're out here at the meet. Hopefully it's kind of chill right now.
No, you gotta get close to the camera, bro. You're not close to the camera.
Oh, damn. This is a 5-seater car, and we could have all just fit here if we sat normally.
Honestly? Oh yeah, honestly,
I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what we're doing. Bro, put your head out.
We need Cameron in here. Cameron.
Yo, what's up? My name is Richard. His build is crazy.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
this man. Really.
You already know. God bless. God bless. Thank you.
God bless.
Didn't you quit like 3 days later?
Man, this bitch is popping, bro. Look at this. Miata? Okay, I gotta support the Miata since I have one. G35, bro. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a state ref right there, sir. Look, they're drumming. What the hell? That's sick. Are you ready, Cameron? No. You ready? I'm not ready. Oh, he's not ready. Hold up.
Drive safe.
Anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. I know I didn't do too many pulls. I just wanted kind of the car to run fine, but most definitely we're going to be doing a lot more pulls, and I want to bring that to you guys. I love doing pulls. Like, I love watching the clips back again. Like, it's just freaking sick. And also, I just want to say thank you to all the supporters who come up to me and say hi. I know sometimes I can be weird and all that, but I mean, I want to say thank you guys to all of you for showing up and coming up to say hi. I really do appreciate it. But also, starting next week, I think I may possibly start a new position, which I'm super excited because you guys know I've been unemployed for like the past 5 months. You guys been helping me a lot. YouTube has been helping me a lot. So, but that's about to change. I know this year has been kind of rough, but hey, it's always good to get back on your feet. And I'm also getting into like options trading. If you guys know anything about that, I've been doing really good lately. So that's also been helping me. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you guys next episode. Hasta luego, amigos. That's like an old freaking thing I said back in the days. But anyways, see you later, guys.